Today's challenge is to pack for an extended European trip in a carry-on piece of luggage using packing cubes, which I've never used before. I am the queen of overpacking, and this trip is going to take us on 3 different trains, and I have been on a European train lugging a giant piece of luggage. It's not fun. So I have challenged my husband and I to pack for this trip on a carry-on only. That way the airline cannot lose our luggage and we can bring our luggage through the train without having issues. We actually had an issue one time where the luggage broke. Hopefully that will not happen this time. I'm also taking a backpack, which will sit on top of that. So join me on today's adventure because I'm going to attempt a capsule wardrobe. Come along for this adventure. So I've been taking notes on capsule wardrobes, and I keep changing my mind of what I want to bring. But they're basically saying that you should bring a white button-down shirt, which I am bringing, a midi skirt. I'm actually bringing a dress. Wide leg pants, I'm bringing 2 pairs. A white t-shirt, that's questionable. Crew neck sweater, no, but I am going to bring sweatshirts. White sneakers, my white sneakers are dirty, and I don't think I can clean them, but I am bringing 2 sets of sneakers, the one I wear and one that'll be in the outside part of my suitcase. Black skinny pants, no, I am not bringing black skinny pants. And then headbands, earrings, and things like that. So I'm basing it off of this, but not exactly doing this. So the weather where we are going is so much nicer than here. It is 90 degrees here, and the feels like temperature has been in the hundreds lately here in Florida. We are going to a place where it's going to be, each city's different, but I'm not going to tell you where. You're going to have to stay tuned and click that subscribe button for videos. Now, I will probably have a video next Sunday from the first part of the trip, and then some shorts along the way. Anywho, I digress. But it's going to be in the 70s during the day, 50s to low 60s during the night. I get cold, but I am going to bring 1 pair of shorts. So I'm going to turn the camera around and show you what I have planned right now. I decided to bring 1 pair of shorts and just multiple tops. Now, like I said, we're doing laundry on the 4th night because there's facilities. So that looks cute. I'm going to need to find 1 more t-shirt that I can bring to mix and match. But I keep forgetting that I'm going to be doing laundry halfway. So this is really, really hard for me. Just so you know, on my honeymoon, I packed 1 suitcase just for shoes. We're not doing that this time. So this is potentially 1 outfit, and I need to find another top. Now, this top will also match. It's a button-up with longer sleeves, so if it is cool, but I was thinking about maybe wearing this to if I am cold, but it could also be buttoned up and worn this. This I'm definitely bringing because I can also match it with this dress. I could put it on over the top of the dress. I was going to bring a sleeveless dress with me, and I've changed my mind because it's a thicker material, and it's going to be too bulky, I think, for packing. So I'm just going to bring this cute little Old Navy dress that I bought a few weeks ago, and it has really nice pockets. The other dress has a hole in one of the pockets, and I suck at sewing, so I don't know if I don't think I'm going to take the other one. The other one's sleeveless. I'm going to take this, which could go with potentially this if I get cold to have something over me. And I also have the cardigan. I think I am going to bring the cardigan because a cardigan can pretty much be worn with anything. But I also have some sweatshirts that I absolutely love. One of them is definitely coming on my plain outfit with me, which I still haven't figured out. I have a pair of neutral sweatpants coming that I want to see if that's going to be my outfit. If not, I'll probably wear blue on the bottom. Then I also have a pair of pants that are being hemmed that need to be picked up that are olive green. So this can go with those pants. But I have another pair of pants that I'm also bringing. I'm also going to bring these pants, and this will be one of the tops that goes with it. And I'm also going to throw in a neutral top that's just this color. So right now we're talking 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 outfits. I've got 3 more days, so I really don't need a whole lot more. And when the other pants come in, I have to find another shirt that'll go with those, but I have sweatshirts. Here's my sweatshirt predicament. I love, love, love this one because it's really cute, neutral, and the green matches the green. But I also have this green one, which will match not only these pants, but will also match the other green pants that I have to pick up from the tailor. However, I also have this one, which will match both this green and the other green. I have this really cute one, which will also pick up the greens. So now you see my predicament. And they are so soft and cozy. So I can't pack all of them because I won't have room. And who knows, I might not even wear them because it might not get as cold as I think it's going to get. So I have to pare this down. One of them is coming on the plane with me both ways and can also be worn while I'm there. So that won't go into the suitcase. So I have room for definitely one in the suitcase, but I'm not sure if two. So if I have to eliminate one, I'm thinking maybe the cocktails one. But I do like this color. I don't know. All right, I think I have all my outfits planned out. I'm going to use this big packing cube for the bottoms, the dress, and possibly 2 sweatshirts. Hopefully that'll work out for me. And the cardigan. Then this one will be for t-shirts, the shorts, maybe the collared shirt that I have. And then, I don't know, I've got these 2. One of them is definitely going to be for, obviously, underwear, socks, which I guess counts as that. So I don't know what I would put in the other one. I guess maybe leftovers. But I've got about 7 outfits. And I'm definitely doing laundry, so the mixing and matching is going to work out well for me. So I decided that with these pants, I've already rolled everything. I can wear 2 different tops with it. Then the green pants that I have to pick up tomorrow, with that one, I can wear the tiki shirt, because I am going to a tiki bar at one of the places I'm going to. Yes, I found one. And I can also wear this with it and also one of the sweatshirts. So I have options for the green pants. Oh, actually, this one could be also worn with the green pants because there's green, a little green in this too. So this could also be worn with the shorts. So I have options of mixing and matching. And people aren't going to care because I'm going to 3 different cities and people aren't going to see me in the same outfit twice. So I always worry about that. I know it's crazy. All right, so let's try this packing cube out and see how I do. Now we have to remember, right here is going to be the other pair of pants. So we're holding a spot for it. There's still a ton of room. This will be the t-shirts. Got one. This is a t-shirt. These 2 are t-shirts. I've got 2 button downs. A button down here. Oh, I also bought a tank to go with one of the button downs. So I got a tank. Oh, another t-shirt. There's still some room in here. I forgot about the shorts in the other bag. Let's do this button down as well. So these are all of the tops. Oh my gosh, you guys, this packing cube thing is pretty freaking cool. Oh my gosh, look at that. How amazing. And organized, which I am not always. All right, let's bring this back out. I'm gonna add to this because I totally forgot about, and there's a lot of room in here still. Again, we have to assume that the other pair of pants I can probably roll and put here. But here is a cardigan. We've got a skirt, a pair of shorts. One other pair of pants has to go in here. Let's see how this closes. All right, this is a little harder because of all the stuff in it now. Let me get a pair of placeholder pants. So the pair that I'm getting tomorrow are basically linen like this, but they're green. I'm not bringing these, but I'm gonna use these as placeholder pants and see how it all works out. So I will use these as placeholders until I get the other pair. It's gonna be a tight fit. We don't want to break any zippers. Oh, maybe not so bad. The key is gonna be whether or not it fits in this suitcase. Oh my gosh. All right. So now let's do a run. And now I have this in my suitcase. This is a laundry bag. I got this at the dollar store. I use it all the time for dirty laundry. It's super convenient, but it rolls up real small. So I'm not even gonna use a packing cube for that. All right, here are my straps. Now let's see how this works. All right, so this basically takes up the whole bottom of my suitcase. This is the one for t-shirts. Oh my goodness, how is this gonna work? All right, this is not working as better as I thought it was going to. This is going to be stuffed with, probably this one, with stuff and socks. But here's the problem. This is my toiletry bag. What in the heck? How is that gonna work? I mean, can I close it? Yeah, I guess I can. Yeah, it closes. But would it work better without the packing cubes? I'm wondering this now. Again, placeholder pants. I'm basically packing right out of the packing cubes in the same sort of order. I don't know. Right now I'm thinking that no packing cube might work better for me. I've always rolled my clothes. Wow. You guys. Look at that. Look, everything is in here and I still have room. I don't think I'm gonna be using the packing cubes. Luckily, I only spent like $12 on them, but everyone's been saying, yes, packing cubes, packing cubes. Now, yes, does it keep me more organized? Sure. Is it easier to find stuff? Sure. But as far as room goes, I'm thinking that no packing cube for me is going to work out better. I still have room for this giant thing. And then for underwear, you just shove them in the holes. It doesn't have to be, you know, I don't know. Let's just, of course, the straps will make everything tighter. These are all my clothes, except for the underwear. And look, totally all that room. This goes right on top. Yep. For me, no packing cubes. Look at that. Look how much better that is. All right. Totally surprised at this. Totally surprised of whether or not to use packing cubes. I think for me personally, packing cubes are not going to work. Okay, well, that is a humongous shock to me that the packing cubes are not going to work for me personally, because I know where everything is and I can always unpack and repack at each place we go. We're doing 4 nights, 3 nights, 2 nights in 3 different cities. The packing cubes just take up so much room. Did I get any more in them than in here? Not really. I guess if you're a super duper organized person and you have to have everything in like a different place so you know where they are, then yes, I can see using these. But for my personal usage, I don't know. I'm thinking that no packing cubes is going to work better for me. Now, could I use maybe one for extra toiletries or something? Possibly, sure. But I don't think packing cubes is the way to go for me, personally. Well, I'm as shocked as you are. Well, I don't know if you're shocked, but I'm shocked that the packing cube thing is not going to work for me, and that I was actually able to get everything in this suitcase in a travel. Now, granted, I have about mix and match. If I just mix and match, I probably have all the outfits I need, and I am doing laundry halfway. So I'm good. I'm very proud of myself. Now, the other thing is we do have converters when we get there. I cannot bring my curling iron because it will not work in there. It won't work in their plugs. And then the converter we have is not for anything heavy electrical. It only really works for like USB and phones and things like that. So I'm just going to have to wash my hair and curl it before I go. And then when I wash my hair there, I'll bring a product to make it curly or try blowing it straight without the curling iron. But yeah, I'm not even really worried about that, or just keep throwing it up in a ponytail. All right. Well, the next time you see me, I will not be here in the United States. So stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification so you know when I upload. I plan on trying to upload some shorts along the way, but the next long video, and I have no idea what it's going to hold, will definitely be next Sunday. So, and that's assuming that the Wi-Fi and everything is working properly. So if you don't see anything uploaded Sunday, you know something happened with the Wi-Fi, and then I just have to wait till I get back. So on that note, thank you for tuning into the wonderful world of Wendy. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. Give me a big thumbs up, and I'll see you on my next adventure.